Hello guys, welcome to MoBileMaThS with Gamchrai. Today we want to look at trigonometrics question. So here's my question. Simplify the following expression to a single trigonometric function. Okay, so here's how we are gonna do it. First of all, I'll start with the numerator. 4 cos minus x. This is a small angle. It becomes 4 cos x. Okay, then we have on the other end cos 90 plus x using our quadrant. That becomes this one. It becomes minus sine x. Okay, so this is my numerator. Okay, now I'm going to the denominator. On my denominator, I've got a special case. I've got this double angle and this double angle. Okay, and I'm going to use from the tables. I'm going to use the first one is cos. The first one is cos is sine 30 minus. So I'll use this one for sine 30 minus x. Then the second one is cos 30 minus, so I'll use the second one, this one, for cos 30 degrees minus x. Okay, like this. So I'm going to be substituting in place of alpha, I'll be using my 30 degrees. In place of beta, I'll be using my x. That's basically what I'll be doing there. Okay, let's do that. Okay, so the first one I'll have sine. I'll have sine 30 degrees cos x minus cos 30 degrees sine x. Okay, that's the first one, this one. Then I'll write my cos x plus, now I'm on this one, it becomes, I'll write a bracket there, cos 30 degrees cos x plus, I'll write down there, sine 30 degrees sine x. That's the second one. Then I'll write the sine x. Okay, now what is left for me is to simplify this. Okay, so I'll use the angles that I know from triangles, that sine 30 is equal to half, and simplify this expression, the denominator. Okay, let's do that. So our numerator is 4 cos x minus sine x. Okay, then our denominator, I said for the first one, sine 30 is the same as half. Then we have cos x minus cos 30 is root 3 over 2. Then we have sine x. Okay, then we go on by cos x. Then plus, I'm now on this part, this one, we will get cos 30 is root 3 over 2 by cos x minus, plus there, this is plus sine 30 is half, so I have half sine x. Then I have my times sine x there. Okay, let me write it, times sine x. Okay, Let's simplify. So on the numerator then, I can factor out 2, negative 2 there. Okay, let's do that. I'm factoring out negative 2. So if I factor out negative 2, I have negative 2. Then inside I'll remain with 2 sine x cos x. Then on my denominator, I will have, now I'm going to remove the brackets. If I remove the brackets, minus root sine x there will cancel off with sorry, let me rewrite this one. I'm now removing the brackets. I've got half cos x minus root 3 over 2 sine x, multiplying cos x there, plus here root 3 over 2 cos x plus half sine x multiplied by sine x. Okay, let's remove the brackets there. If I remove the brackets, I will have minus 2 sine x cos x over half cos squared x. I've multiplied here this cos and this one. Then the next one, I'll have minus root 3 over 2 sine x cos x. Then plus, I'm now on the left side, on the right side there, I'll have plus root 3 over 2 cos x times this one sine x plus half sine x squared. Okay, now this one and this one will cancel off each other. Minus root plus this root over 3 will cancel off each other. Then we'll have our minus 2 sine x cos x over half cos squared x plus half sine squared x. Okay, now we can factor out here half. It's common there, and factor out half. If I factor out half, I'll have minus 2 sine x cos x over half cos squared x plus sine squared x. Okay, this is an identity, this one, and from our identity, this is equal to 1. Okay, so at the end of the day, I'll have minus 2 sine x cos x over half by 1. Okay, then if I do the multiplication there, I will have my minus 2 here divided by half there. I will get at the end of the day, I will get minus 4 by 2 sine x cos x. Then the whole thing becomes this one is the same as sine 2x. Okay, so I can have it as minus 4 like this. So this is the final thing of our question. Otherwise, bye bye guys.